In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Instagram saved audio not showing. So if you're having problems that you're not able to see your saved audio on your Instagram, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So firstly, close your Instagram app and instead go into your settings app on your phone here, as you can see. Then scroll down and click on General and click on Storage right here. And then just simply wait for all of this right here to load. It might take you a couple of seconds here, as you can see. So just wait for it to complete the loading process here. I don't know why, but sometimes this takes a while, just so you know. So now when it's done, just swipe up, click on search and search for Instagram here. Select the Instagram app, click on Offload app, and once again in here, click on Offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, so we're just going to wait a couple of seconds. And then click on the reinstall app button right here. So basically by doing this right here, it means that you're going to now auto update your Instagram app to the absolute latest version. And this, by the way, might take you some time, just so you know. So just wait for it to complete this update process right here, and after it's done, go back and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.